All right, everybody, Joseph Byler here. I'm 11 days out post-op, total knee replacement. And just an update, this video is just tell you where I'm at. I'll tell you what exercises I did. Where I'm at right now, I'm like this. So I'll have days where I have just a lot of pain, just waves of pain coming into my right knee, and then half the day will be like hardly any pain, or like pain that's suitable. Some of that has happened because on day 2.5, the nerve block wore off, and I had pain medication, and I wasn't doing the pain medication correctly, and so I got behind on pain, and it took me 4 or 5 days to sort of catch up on it, actually longer than that. And then I caught up on it like day 9, and then now I'm trying to maintain a certain amount between pain medication. And because I'm so active, like on my Fitbit, like today I'm at 3,500 steps, and that's actually the lowest, and it's, let's see, it's a little after 5 o'clock p.m. That's the lowest amount I've had even on my surgery day of steps. So, I mean, I've been ranging 6,000, 7,000 steps a day, including my surgery day, and some of that is why probably I'm getting a little bit more pain than normal. So my PA and my coach were like, listen, you have to stay down. So this last like 36 hours, I have tried so hard to just lay down, elevate, ice, stim. I've used my red light every day, multiple times, compression. I have EMS, I've got a sonic magnetic pulsing machine. So I have literally just been up or laid up. I haven't been doing therapies hardly. Yesterday I did none. I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna not aggravate this thing and see what happens. But I had to do it today because I can't just go on. I'll lose my range of motion. So I listened to them, and I will say, like last night I had a really rough night. I couldn't sleep. The pain was crazy. And then this morning was the same way. And then probably about 2 hours ago, I felt like I just was lifted of a lot of pain. It was really crazy. What that does is when it traps blood and it pools blood inside your muscles, and then when you release it, the blood comes shooting out, but new blood comes shooting in, so it has to be replaced. And it can have like a really high growth hormone stimuli effect. So they have seen in studies 278% in growth hormone, natural growth hormone release, like a spike, which means more healing. So let's just say this 3 to 5 minute training I just did with my upper body will help my lower extremities at the same time because it's moving blood up. And so when you have surgery on your lower extremity, like my lower leg here, it's even like when I do some lymphatic draining, I want to take it from the toes and the foot, and I want to move upward on there. The first few weeks, you want to move upward towards your heart. So this is sort of the same thing. So I'm allowing blood up through the upper body and down. And then when I release the cuff, blood comes out, new blood comes in. Sounds crazy, sounds confusing. Believe it or not, they've been doing this actually over 1,000 years. And only one person to date ever have been injured by this. And it was somebody that was a hockey player, and he was just being an idiot and didn't know what he was doing and at all. Like, I mean, you can not know what you're doing, not get hurt doing it. But so anyway, I do it literally 3 to 7 times a week anyway, but I just show you guys a little bit how I do that. And so that 3 to 5 minute training program just for my upper body equivalent to 35 to 50 minutes of hard hypertrophy training without the straps for arms. Now, does it trump all training without straps? Absolutely not. But what it can do is it can help you in a small period of time get the gains and get the benefits of strength training in a small period of time. So you don't have to take the whole day. So being I don't want to be up on my feet so much, I'm going to do that and allow my body to heal faster because of what stimulus that it does give. So on my therapy, you'll see this in order. I did a quad set, I did a knee extension, I did a hip flexion leg raise, I did a wall slide, but I did a wall slide on this post right here on my squat rack. I did seated heel slides, and I did a ball TKE. So that's what I'm doing every day from today till Monday. That'll be my little training program. And honestly, by being laid up, my strength is crazy. Like, my strength seems really, really good. I mean, I can raise my leg up and hold it as long as I want. My quad has never had a problem yet with this surgery at all. Now, range of motion is always something that is the hardest, and it's about the most painful as well. Because I didn't do any therapies yesterday on purpose, and then this morning on purpose, I allowed just to heal, just to rest, just to ice and see what happens. And of course, it was really stiff. So you saw my wall slides weren't very good at all. It's probably the worst range of motion I've had since the day of surgery, but that's okay because I have plenty of time to get that, and I will get that probably by tomorrow. I will do things to make that go in a better fashion. So, but a lot of it's just the inner swelling too, so I can't rush that. But it will get there, and I'm way ahead of the game already. So I feel good about that. But so enjoy the video. I'll put the training sort of throughout. But if you're ever thinking about a total knee replacement, I'm telling you, I mean, it is not easy road at all. I've had multiple ACL repairs, meniscus repairs, you name it, I've had it. This has definitely been the hardest surgery I've ever had. Like many of you know, I've had a total hip replacement 15 months ago, and it was literally the easiest recovery I've ever seen. I had no pain when I woke up till now, none. And it was harder to get over an ankle sprain than a total hip replacement. It was that easy. For me, I had a direct anterior. It was the most simple thing I've ever had, and my hip's been amazing since. Now, this total knee is going to take some time. And I'm not gonna rush it. And I've already had a lot of haters and naysayers because I get those all the time. And you're doing too much. Well, listen, I've got one of the best coaches in the country. I do have the best trainer in the country. And my doctor is one of the biggest bad boys in the country right now, and he knows what he's doing. So I'm not nervous about it. I feel this is going to be super successful. He's told me 3 times how good it went and how amazing it went, and my PA is like, dude, you're going to be amazing. It's going to be good. So I'm happy about it. Just know it's going to take you some time, and it's going to take you some grit. And but you can do it. Anyone can do it. So enjoy the video. Sorry I'm long-winded. I haven't been on here in a few days, so just if you have questions, go ahead and send me an email, whatever you want. I'll get back to you. So we will talk to you later.